Today I'm going to do a little bit of 3D using our brand new coloured acrylic powder on Andrea's nails. She's got an aura set on at the minute, and we're thinking we're going to add some 3D to it because I'm feeling some shells and a starfish. Why did I wanted to like make myself look like a starfish. We're going to do a 3D starfish. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to use tulip. Thank you very much. Using the 3D brush, which is on the end of the double-ended Alycia brush. So you can pick up a tiny bead with this.
Well, normally when you do 3D stuff, you do flowers. Now you're using flower-named acrylic to do sea creatures.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
That is true. How many legs? 5?
They saw there a star.
Yeah, they've got to be 5, haven't they?
Yeah.
I'm doing this from memory. And I haven't seen many. So we're working on top of a glossy top coat as well.
Six.
6?
Oh no, it says here, most starfish have 5, but some have 6 or 7.
Oh? We'll go with 5, eh?
Yeah.
So I'm just moving this round to create the shape. Doing each leg. Oh, the legs! They've got the legs. Oh, I feel like we should have researched this.
Googled.
All of this.
Are they they're not legs, are they?
Yeah.
Are they legs?
Yes. That's how they move.
Arms?
Arms?
Legs, same
Yeah.
things.
So they're all arms, no legs.
But have they got hands?
Have they got hands? Yeah.
Well, Patrick Star does.
Yeah. Well, what about where are the eyes? They've got no eyes. I bet they've got no eyes.
Are the eyes underneath?
Over.
Bet their eyes are underneath, aren't they?
Because if you've got no eyes, that's a bit of a miserable existence.
And really?
Oh, not if you're a human.
You can feel. As long as you can
Yeah,
feel
but like not as a human, but as a starfish. And then I want to get a little bit of this lalo. A little bit of lalo. So the yellow is called, get it right, daffodil.
Daffodil.
I was calling it other things before. I don't even know what I called it. I called
Dandelion.
it dandelion. Daffodil.
Good.
So it's a pretty basic shape to create, yeah? Now what we want to do is sort of highlight these little arms with some of the daffodil colour. So I've just kind of gone in between and then I've pulled it into the centre. Do you know, we just don't know what is in the sea. Like we know what we've not explored.
Oh God.
All the sea.
Yeah.
There's so much we haven't explored, isn't there? So there could be.
You never know what's down there.
There could be like all different kinds of colours of
Starfish.
I could. I'm gonna dip the end of my Pammy Picker Ppper into acrylic powder, and I'm gonna press in some little details. Now, are they little suckers? Is it just texture? I don't know. I just like it. Look at that. That is so cute. So do you think we should have been doing Patrick Star?
They're big fun.
Maybe I should do a 3D Patrick Star. Not right now, Andrew. Don't worry. I'm not sending you out with SpongeBob nails.
SpongeBob nails, yeah. You could do me a seahorse one time.
A seahorse.
Yeah, I like seahorses.
I like seahorses.
They're cute, aren't they?
Is it not the males that give birth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That bloody time.
It is about time. Them seahorses have got it right, haven't they?
Yeah.
So by dipping it into the acrylic powder, it's not going to stick. And you're going to be able to create these little indentations
just when you mentioned the earth and the water and not explored, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I heard this thing a while back about how much water is on Earth.
Yeah.
'Cause you know, like so much, 70% or something is covered by water.
Yeah.
But if the Earth was the size of a basketball,
Yeah.
all of its water would fit into the size of a ping pong ball.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
So it's not really very deep
It's not as
in comparison to...
as the depth of the
Yeah.
Earth.
Yeah.
Will you stay still?
I'm sorry.
These clients shouldn't be allowed to have a swingy chair.
Or a broken leg. My leg's broke, I think.
A broken leg?
Yeah.
You've got a broken leg?
Yeah. Just for today.
Just for today?
Just happened.
Why have you got a broken leg?
I don't know, it's how it feels. Because I've been sitting funny, I think.
You haven't
Doesn't
got a...
really-
Are you
doesn't
saying
really-
I broke your leg by keeping you sitting in this position for all these hours?
Yeah.
It's a bit extreme, that is, Andrea.
Oh, it's broke. Brock.
I love this. Look,
Oh.
how cute is that? That is so cute, and it's not too difficult. So when you put in your design needle, which is the other end of the Pammy Picker Ppper, when you're dipping it into the powder, obviously I'm doing it quite quick. I'm not letting the product set up enough for it to be hard, but it's also still malleable. But because we put the powder on, the powder then works its way into it and sets quicker as well. Does that make sense? I'm just going to do some legs. Some he's not fully. He's creeped off the nail. I'm not saying I've decapitated him, but I'm just going to do like 3
Not
legs
been
here.
amputated, no.
No, he's not an amputee.
I do think with Jay Slater, there's something. He's crossed somebody, I think.
Mhm.
Because apparently he was a bit of a rogue.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean he deserves.
No, it doesn't. No.
I'm not saying
But
that.
when you
But when you
play
mess
with
with
fire.
when you mess with them sort of people,
Mhm.
especially when you're a kid, because basically he's a kid.
I know. But apparently 11 people have gone missing on Tenerife
I know, yeah.
Island this year.
Mm.
And I'm going on holiday there. So will you set out a search party for me if I go missing?
Definitely. But I can't see you saying, oh, it's only 40 kilometres, I'll walk back.
Yeah, I don't think I would do that.
No.
I'd be like, see that 1%? My phone doesn't go to 1%. As soon as it goes to 10%, it goes off.
No, yeah.
So I don't get that.
No.
He's obviously got a better phone than me. Right, so we're going to do a little shell. I'm going to use this colour, which is Lotus. And a shell can be any colour, because like I said before, We've not explored all of the ocean. There can be shells of all varieties. So I'm using now, putting the centre of the brush in the middle. So we have this little, is it a clamshell? I don't know. I just know that this is what a shell looks like. And I'm going in the middle with the point and just gently pressing. So this is my kind of basic shape. I'm going to layer this. Using the very tip to just cut a little line through there. And now I'm using it quite wet.
Green.
And I'm quite flat. And I'm just going to pull those bits out and press into this now. So you, once it just starts to lose its shine, you can then press into it a bit. And I want it to have like these little scalloped edges. So I'm just going to use the brush to push in and create those little scalloped edges. Then I'm going to use my spatula into the powder and I'm going to create some little lines of the shell. It's like a queen. I don't know why it's making me think of a queen.
They're cute, them all.
I know, I like them.
I like them.
And then we're going to put loads of bling on.
Oh, yes.
I like the colours, I think they look nice together.
Yeah.
I mean, the starfish.
Gorgeous.
I like it. I like it. In.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
I love them.
Beautiful. They're gorgeous, but I don't know, there's something special about them.
I know, yeah. I really like them.
Mm.
Let's put some oil. I love these. These are gorgeous. I love the 3D. I think the 3D just elevates it to next level. It's next level now. I love them. Oh, they're so cute. I love them.
Just tilting towards me. Cool. Lovely.
Love them. So I think we've just taken them to the next level with some 3D and a bit of bling. So if you feel like there's a set of nails and they're just missing something, maybe it's just a bit of 3D and a bit of bling. But I love that. I hope that's helped you to create some nice starfishes and some clamshells. There you are, Doc. I hope you've enjoyed it. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram and all that shebang. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra, Doc.